The nomination process for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC elections 2025 is in full swing in East Khasi Hills, with key candidates officially entering the electoral fray. With the nomination process gaining momentum, the stage is set for a highly anticipated electoral battle in the Khasi Hills region. On Monday, candidates from the Indian National Congress filed their nominations at the Deputy Commissioner's office in Shillong. Among them was sitting Deputy Chief Executive Member of the KHADC Pinchngan NCM, who is contesting from Maukhar Pintor Umkhra District Council constituency, alongside newcomer Jonathan Siem representing the Saurangkham District Council constituency. Both expressed confidence in their prospects and reiterated their commitment to bringing reforms within the KHADC.
Shri Jonathan Siem, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 6th Saurangkham District Council constituency, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear the true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Inang day hakathan kumba kani kathan chungi kabanga kasyong kasa chunga kani kini New Shillong ire kawai kalong ba habide karoi kapar hooj nakaliang district council hadu mentak habide ka scheme kadong tuna rei nakaliang ka chunga kumba long batmai ubadang fresh kini kam ngan petri hop ik scheme hakmat ka basai ka bisit chungi pada nong snong pada ka chu kapor ngasyam bah kani kathan New Shillong ka chungi bangi lasak ta sibun namta kani ka building by law namar district council ka building by law ngidang syukopi by thik kat kum balong na ka state takadaw kalong ka khamkho ring isthe nga bangalej ngayo ikata ko khubor na kinong to kumta kum ladang ang iwan na kabor panura da ka weipat kaan ka building by law chung ka district council khanang bankan namar ka district council hi kalong bankan tiu lang panyada lang kumta ngin penkubor lang lengba king rang ba snong bakirong ba sinong baki sina kinu building idon kami ke building by law re abi kirong ba sinong kendon kata ke ikhtiar kan ban pet lang habide geding building by law ringkat ke cingpun kubor ke cing aibor na po district council habangi poi kubor tangin buddin ya katu amendment sispa arpusan amendment baladap man kini nginang ai buddin sisu kenang ba ke cing mentoi kalong ya ka constituency ya ka ri ba cai penri ko chung hi barok kowe dah bangi phai ke liga amendment menta kumba kalale ki ong bangiron kami kita direct funding ngila don kam sisa baringi pej kum municipal kum panchayat ngiyo ek direct funding kiyo ek direct funding re hadis council hadu menta ka funding ke bawan kalong kawana central hastit nastit pakin bha ke district council te kumta ngidi bandon kam sisa kita ka direct funding kenang ba ka roi kapa kan yarap sibun namta kani ka state thalaya ka chungi barok kowe.
I, Shri Pinchngan NCM, have been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in 18 Maukhar Pintor Umkhra District Council constituency. Do swear in the name of God I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Kamat kebaningkong Kapaliang nagaliang yung ka Kongres Parti Jungi ibu ikatong kalong ban butin halor ka jing penkla ya ka sikshidil bat ban pentikna baka jing penkla kalong ban penmentoy naga benta Jungi kamat kabaan kalong ban pen bah ban penjanai hakatnat sensya executive hakatnat thawain ne kashari o hakatnat ngumur banong hakatnat thawain legislative but hakatnat bishar ne kashari kabang yung ka judiciary jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kabumut kalong ba habor rightly kitnan ka executive ka legislative bat ke judiciary ngin persangkat bala ban penbaha dan penjana ya kajing rikam kebalai ban penklan ya ka pisa ya ka pisa finance jong ka council alengba kitnat lum ne yo pisa khnang ban penklan shu ya kajing rikam jong ka council bat ban ombu ya kinong trei jong ka council hagi ya kamat ka basau ka bangi kum ka parti ngila bu kalong ban yada ban pen bha ya ka mai mariam la kalong ya ki kiwa ne ki khaw ki betap da ka ji toilang bat ki kur ki sang ba pher ki snong ki rai bat ki hima kaba san ban penne pen skam bat kerti ya ka tin khasi ki tenrai ki riti ki dusto lengba kiran san ba pher khnang ban pen pau nam ya ka jirusma jongi ha ki riti ki dustur barkan longru kalat ai kam ai jam ya ki briu jongi nangta kamat ke ban riu ban thau kilat kilenti ban yo jingira pisa na ka sorkar jela ne sorkar pedang na ka benta ki kam penroi haji snong ki rai bar ki hima kamat ke ban nyau ban pen klan ye ki an bayadei bat ka khendau ka siap kum juru ban thau kilat kilenti kumnu ban pen skam ban yada ye ki jaka khaput bat ka asam daga bayatrilang bat ki hima.
Meanwhile, independent candidate Maukordor Rinja from Mauplangding Yai District Council constituency also submitted his nomination papers. Rinja stated that his decision to contest stems from a desire to uphold indigenous customs and traditions while prioritizing the welfare of his constituents and the society at large.
Having been elected as candidate to fill the seat in the 21 Mauplangding Yai District Council constituency, or District Council, to swear in the name of the God, solemnly affirm that we will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established and will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Ngadu ke jiksu skam mentah, namang ala yale teng ya election sembah dia pulai, bad mentah kinu kesan kijonga kibang kadun lupa bad nga, bad mentah nak seperti kongres nilai klip lama no seperti kongres baru kini kesian je kongres naru advisor presiden sekretari bagi unit prepare kebadan hak kamu pelang dengan konstitusi kilawan perkesian lah yang bagi kita ngadon katong bagi jingkaman ke kerawan puai katong jong jingjob apa jinglong jingman kini kipuai ke bentah kini political party kilabun jingsak kan thor sudah but Naragarung hari ini parti ngaso bangan long way besar tentu lingba election semua hak political parti kebadan mentah apa kini gejala kejongi dia kumta ngaso ngalong confident bala dangami kumu dipilihkan dia kurtong simat bagi pai ba mentaru ki pai kemat siau kurtong simat nomor ba ngidang kuit dang subah ba ngimdun kedak kejing thok bria ba ngin wara du kejing sinsiar ka ba kuit nanda pai ba ngin sosonong Ngakua ban kentu ya kipai ba dosu senong jong kamu phang di konstitusi tu minta ngiyat dekat banga habangin penjit yang aku munong bikmat nak kamu phang di konstitusi habangin la ban tri dekat ban wanra ya kejing song suk kejing song sengan hapoka konstitusi blogaway haba ngilak ru nak benta ban kentiu di emlang salang hak senong kitau natak masalang kobidai Badka sencaga kadar nam tabaki long tumi ki kun samla bad kum juru khantam kambo plang konstituensi tiba pun song kidai ki nongrep kum tangin ya dekat bad ki nongrep ki bare kumba manga ngawan nak ye long sem kan nongrep ti kumta nakan mas kam ba minta bad ngakan turu ye ki pai ba no song jong mo pang di konstituensi baken ya don dekat badnga sendak badnga batu bagi lak dari Thailand dan kentiu yang kemelang salah.